Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Hello, steak lovers. In this video, I will explain how to cook prime steak to perfection every time. First, select a high-quality cut, like a ribeye, about 1.5 inches thick. It's crucial to let your steak come to room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This ensures even cooking throughout. Then, pat it completely dry and season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. These initial steps are key for a fantastic result. Now let's talk about achieving that incredible crust. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, ideally cast iron over high heat until it's smoking. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown crust. Remember, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook one steak at a time if needed to maintain high heat. Once seared, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter, a few cloves of smashed garlic, and some fresh herbs like rosemary or thyme to the pan. Tilt the pan and continuously baste the steak with the melted butter mixture for 2 to 4 minutes. This infuses incredible flavor. Use a meat thermometer to check for your desired doneness. For example, 130 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. Flip the steak once or twice during this process. The final crucial step is resting. Transfer your perfectly cooked steak to a cutting board and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. Once rested, slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This technique maximizes tenderness. Serve immediately with your favorite side dishes and savor your expertly prepared prime steak. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.